At Indonesia's main airport, a highly anticipated delivery has arrived. Inside this container are 1.2 million doses of a COVID-19 vaccine from China. More will come next month, and later the raw materials to allow Indonesia to manufacture millions of doses itself.
Scientific considerations and the final results of the clinical trials will determine when the COVID-19 vaccinations can be carried out.
The vaccines won't be used until they're given clearance by the Indonesian Food and Drug Authority.
We're still waiting for the data relating to safety and efficiency. We need 3 months of data to check the blood test.
In Tangerang, not far from the capital, hospital workers are preparing pharmaceutical refrigerators. The Sinovac vaccine needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees, which is a common temperature requirement for many vaccines. Indonesia's government has also pre-ordered 100 million doses of the vaccine developed by Oxford AstraZeneca, which has the same temperature requirements.
We are ready to receive, to store and to distribute in accordance to the standards set by the National Agency of Drug and Food Control.
But not everyone shares this confidence. Far from the capital, on the island of Flores, health officials in SIKKA are concerned about their lack of resources.
The problem we face now, even for regular vaccines, is that the electricity cuts out often.
Thousands of remote communities around the country don't have reliable power. Health workers also say they don't have enough cold storage units.
If the coronavirus vaccine comes here, we can't store it yet. I hope we can have a bigger cool room so we can store vaccines for the whole area when needed.
Indonesia, with its tropical climate and thousands of remote communities, is not alone in facing issues with cold chain logistics.
The vaccines developed by American pharmaceuticals corporations Pfizer and Moderna require ultra-cold storage at sub-zero temperatures. Because of that requirement, they may not be a feasible option for some countries.
It will be very helpful if the temperature is not too low for the requirements. So for the minus storage and distribution, it will have a big challenge for the country and for the province.
Manufacturing and procuring the vaccine is only part of the problem in the fight against COVID-19. For many countries, the bigger challenge is managing the logistics. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, Jakarta.